control base 19 Quebec.
Calling Northeast Tower unanswered, say again.
Sears 452 Tango X-ray, information whiskey, approximately 10 miles east of the field at 2,500.
Alpha, I don't want to hover around on the ramp.
So it's straight at 2-4.
Cherokee 4 Quebec, traffic heading to your left at 2 mile final. Cherokee, report traffic in sight.
Traffic in sight 19 Quebec.
Cherokee 4 Quebec, runway 24, clear for the option number 2, follow the Cherokee.
Runway 24, clear for the option number 2. 19 Quebec.
Cherokee 4 Quebec, correction your number 3, follow the Cherokee.
Number 3, follow the Cherokee 19 Quebec, runway 24. Peter, so do I have traffic for you? Down to 2004 Sierra Papa. Two Whiskey Hotel, cross Yarley at about 3,000, cleared for the RNAV, runway 24 approach.
At or above 3, clear for the RNAV 24, wing 2 Whiskey Hotel, thanks.
5. Enemy intersection is Echo, November Echo, Mike Echo. Direct TP intersection is Tango Echo, Papa Echo Echo. For the Zeller 5 arrival, that's Zulu Echo India Lima Romeo 5.